Alright, folks. So today we are rail fitted at the Crosse, Wisconsin at Glendale Park. It seems like there's a train coming because I hear it. And here it comes. I have to close the door in the van. 606 6911. It's so loud here. So many. I don't know. I think I might have to go home after this. It feels way too windy. Oh, that wind's gonna knock my tripods so easy. Every time I put it back up, it'll always fall down. It's only 6:13. Here it comes. Here he comes. I'm gonna go right back down there as soon as this train passes by. Right as it passes by. There could be it. Alright, there's like people playing basketball or something. Anyways, we have to leave, so good afternoon. Alright, thanks rail fans. I will see you in the next video, of course.